We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1956 Chevy Bel Air LS, fuel injected, unbelievable car, 4-speed automatic, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, drilled slotted AC, ceramic coated headers, aluminum gripped radiator. Just a stunning restoration. Extreme attention to detail. Trying to beat this, the rain is starting to come in. And you got the custom Bel Air brakes. You got Amani wheels. This video is going to go a little quicker than we planned because it's starting to drizzle. But it's stunning show quality. I'll let you take this, Myra. Come back for a...
Turn the radio down.
Let's see if it's got digital gauges. Yeah, it's hard. They're just when you video it, they flicker like that. It's not doing it. Killer sound system, custom interior, power seat. Just a great car. High dollar car. To restore to this level. You'll be able to find all the pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like, share the video, subscribe, leave your comments below. If you'd like to fly in and check it out, we'd be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. Lambert, St. Louis International, they are the same airport. Just forward us your flight itinerary. We'd be more than happy to, again, pick you up, bring you back here to one of our 3 warehouses. We'll take the car for a ride, check it out, put it up on the lift, make sure this is a good fit for you. If you need financing, we have several companies that we use. Very competitive rate, great terms. Some of these terms can go out as far as 15 years, depending on the car you're buying. If you'd like to talk to somebody in person, just dial 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. That's me. Be more than happy to answer any questions you have. But just a great car. This car is going to be offered at a fraction of the price it costs to restore. It's a very expensive restoration. But be offered today at a discount, a steep discount. Ice cold air, Wilwood forward disc brakes, power steering, tilt, power windows, power seat, custom interior, custom wheels. Just a great car. Car, get up and go. That's about 1/3 of the throttle. It's a runner, 4-speed automatic. Great sound system, great paint. www.westportautocenter.com. Better video, just trying to beat the rain coming. Thanks for watching.